Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. And basically all you have to do is to simply find your language and then tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. It is really easy in this device. So let me choose French, just tap on it, it will be immediately marked, as you can see. And now we can go back, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me do it again. Just find it, tap on it, it will be marked, and it is applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.